right. So, I've told you the boys, the three that were born here, have been escaping. This is in a very abandoned part of the mountain. Here's an old barn left in the forest. And I'm here to pick up some firewood. Not here, I was up in the boys' pasture, and of course the two Frenchmen, Petra and Onyx, were alone and worried, looking out over the top of the pasture, wondering where their three roommates have gone. And so I came and looked, and here they are. Ormand, Bruno, Nitos, up here in an abandoned pasture. There is something to eat. All right, I'm not gonna try and take them home. They've been returning very much on their own timeline. Late afternoon, early evening. Hi. You're explorers, the three of you. Okay. There's the abandoned barn from above. No roof, but the walls are almost entirely intact. My theory is that it belongs to the brothers, my neighbors. It's from their family. Anyway, all is well. I've been... Hi, Ormand. I need to walk home. All right, back up the mountain. Be safe. All right? Be safe.